Hello everyone, today we are going to solve ratio problems together. Let's read this problem carefully. Ty is making trial mix with 3 cups of nuts for every 4 cups of granola. So here we have cups of nuts. So how many cups of nuts do we have? We have 3 cups of nuts for every 4 cups of granola. Also we have cups of granola. So how many cups of granola we have? We have 4. So again, with 3 cups of nuts, we have 4 cups of granola. So this ratio, we can write like this, 3, 4. Or we can write like this, 3 to 4. Or we can write like this, 3 over 4. If Ty has 6 cups of nuts, so F has 6 cups of nuts. So we write here 6. Under 3. Why under 3? Because we write here the cups of nuts here. Okay, so if Ty has 6 cups of nuts, we write here 6 under the nuts. The question here, how many cups of granola? So how many cups of granola here? How many? If if we have if Ty has 6 cups of nuts, how many cups of granola? But here, what we have? We have with 3 cups of nuts for every cups of granola. But if we have 6 cups of nuts, how many cups of granola? How we can solve this problem? As you can see here, 3, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 6. How? How? By multiply by 2. Because 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay? So, also here, we multiply 4 by same number. Here multiply by 2. So multiply also here by 2. By 2 to get 8. So if we have 6 cups of nuts, so he should use 8 cups of granola. Okay, again, if he use 3 cups of nuts for every 4 cups of granola, and if he used 6 cups of nuts, so we use 8 cups of granola. Okay, we get the answer here 8. So the answer here 8 cups of granola. Let's move to this question. Here we are going to solve a higher order thinking ratio problem about filling a swimming pool. Let's carefully read this problem. At 9:30 a.m., Sean started filling a swimming pool. At 11:30 a.m., he had filled 1,800 gallons. So what we have here, from 9:30 to 11:30, he had filled 1,800 gallons. What does this mean? Means so from 9:30 to 11:30, how many hours here? From 9:30 to 11:30, how many hours? 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. So we have 2 hours from 9:30 to 11:30. We have 2 hours. So 2 hours he had filled 1,800 gallons. Okay, what's the question here? At what time will the pool be full? So the pool full at here, what we have here, 4,500 gallon capacity. Because the total pool capacity is 4,500 gallons. We write here 4,500 gallons. Why we write here exactly here? We write here under this because we write here the gallons and here the hours. Okay, the pool needs to be filled to 4,500 gallons. But the question here, at what time will the pool be full? So we should find this how many hours here? We should find how many hours here. As we can see here, here we have 1,800. It's gonna be what? It's gonna be 4,500. 4,500. How? By multiply by what? From here to here, by multiply by what? How we can find the number? Multiply by 1,800, get 4,500. How? By divide this by this. Okay? So here we should find the number. Multiply by 1,800, get 4,500. How we can find this? By divide, use the long division. Divide this number by this number. So here we should use the long division. Divide 4,500. Divide by what? Divide by 1,800. Or here we can simplify this 0 by this 0. Also simplify this 0 by this 0. So we can only divide 45 by 18. So we get the same answer. So if divide 4,500 divided by 1,800, we get answer. And if we divide 45 by 18, we get the same answer. Okay, so we use this. How many 18 and 45? We try here. 18 times 2, 36. Okay, 18 times 3, here 54. So 54 bigger than 45. So we write this number 2. We take this. So 2, put here 2. 2 times 18, 36. Here we have to do subtraction. 5, we take 1 from 4. This is gonna be 3, and here 15. 15 minus 6, 9. Here 0. So the answer here 9. So we can complete this by put here 0 and also here point. This rule, okay? Now, how many 18 and 90? So we should try. For example, we try 18 times 5. 40. 5 times 1, 5 plus 4, 90. So we get exactly 90. So we take 5. We put here 5. Okay? 5 times 18, 90. So the answer here is 0. The remainder. So we get 2.5. This means 1,800 multiplied by 2.5 equal 4,500. Okay? So because here we multiply by 2.5, this means also here we should multiply by 2.5. So here also we multiply by 2.5. So 2 times 2.5, you get 10 here. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So since here the point here, after the point we have only one digit. So count from here one digit to the left. So put the point here. Okay? So the answer 5.0. So the answer 5. This means we put here 5 hours. So this means count from 9:30. Count from 9:30, 5 hours. Okay? Because the question here, at what time? We should find the time. Okay? The time 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So we should find that time. Here we have the how many hours? How many hours to fill to fall all this? 5 hours. So count from 9:30. 5 hours. 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. So we get 2:30 p.m. The answer here 2:30 p.m.